Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we break down stocks making massive moves. I'm Mitchell, and today we're spotlighting Aurora Cannabis, ticker ACB, a leading Canadian producer focused on global medical cannabis markets with brands like Med Relief and strong international presence in Europe, Australia, and beyond. This week, ACB exploded higher amid blockbuster news. Reports emerged on December 12th that President Trump plans to issue an executive order reclassifying marijuana to Schedule 3, easing federal restrictions. Shares rocketed 18.7% that day to close at $5.40, with trading volume spiking and call options surging. Year to date, ACB is up nearly 29%, building on robust medical sales growth and recent expansions like high potency products in Poland. With analysts eyeing upside to around $6.30 and sector tailwinds, is ACB set for more gains? What's your play? Buy the dip, hold, or caution? Drop a comment below, like if you're tracking cannabis stocks, subscribe for more updates, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some money. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. It's in the video description. And we'll see you in the next one.